Although this video is all about a 1962 Corvette, it is applicable to virtually any other old classic car that you are, well, restoring. And this job refers to Brian of Yellow Jacket Garage getting into this project, well, getting all the way into this project related to brakes. I am Burke. You're watching Road Odyssey. Welcome one and all, and I hope you like this video and other Road Odyssey videos, so please like and subscribe. Real quick, Yellow Jacket Garage is a YouTube channel, and it is run and hosted by Brian. He has a lot of old car content on here for do-it-yourselfers. I would encourage you to go out to his channel and look him up and see what he's got to offer for you. We are looking across the engine at the front end of the brand new brake booster, and here's the proportioner of which the new brake line had to be, I guess you'd say, mapped out by using a piece of hard wire. After using the hard wire to create the actual brake lines from the brake booster to the proportioner, we did a test fit to see if this thing was going to, all go together correctly. So really needed that proportioner to be as far away from the engine and still very accessible to this brake booster. Once it looked like the two could be married together perfectly well, took the brake booster out and the proportioner, put them on the bench, hooked them all up, and then put them back into the car for a final test fit. Afterwards, he went to the brakes to begin hooking up those lines. And so getting down into these, you can see the wilwood brakes and where the brake lines needed to hook up. This is a wilwood stub coming off of the main brake line, of which a subsequent line will be connected to this all the way over to the wilwood caliper. Of course, this is just a quick snippet. If you want to learn more about doing this type of work, hop over to Brian's Yellow Jacket Garage channel and just message him and see if he can help you out. He's pretty good at reading comments. So yeah, leave him a comment. And with that, relax, take it easy. I'll see you later. Thank you for watching Road Odyssey.